In a darkened living room, the howling winds from an approaching storm echo as the family prepares for a disaster simulation. Water supplies run low, and electricity is flickering. It's time to act decisively. Nature experts suggest using empty bottles to collect rainwater. Every drop counts, and this can be your life source. They emphasize the importance of gathering non-perishable foods and a first aid kit, assembling survival gear from everyday household items. Think duct tape, flashlights, and even your kitchen knives as tools for defense and utility. Remember, it's about resourcefulness. Utilizing what's at hand can make all the difference. Stay vigilant and trust your instincts. With preparation, even in the face of chaos, you can navigate through the storm. Fair.